Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to set up HubSpot deal stages properly step by step so you can manage your sales process effectively in 2026. Let's get started. Deal stages in HubSpot represent the steps a deal goes through before it is closed. Setting them up correctly helps you track progress, forecast revenue, and improve sales performance. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, go to Settings, then navigate to Objects, Deals, Pipelines. Select the pipeline you want to edit or create a new one if needed. Click Edit Stages to customize your deal stages. Now, define your deal stages based on your real sales process. Common stages include new lead, qualified to buy, meeting scheduled, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won, and closed lost. Each stage should clearly reflect a specific step in your sales journey. Next, assign a deal probability to each stage. Probabilities help HubSpot estimate expected revenue and improve sales forecasting. For example, early stages may have lower probabilities, while negotiation stages have higher ones. You can also add required fields to stages. This ensures sales reps enter important information such as deal amount or close date before moving a deal forward. Reorder stages if necessary to match the correct flow. Keep stages simple and avoid adding too many, as clarity improves adoption and accuracy. Once stages are set, save your changes. Now, start using the pipeline by creating deals and moving them through each stage as they progress. Monitor performance using deal reports and dashboards. Analyze how long deals stay in each stage and identify bottlenecks in your sales process. In summary, setting up HubSpot deal stages properly helps you track deals accurately, forecast revenue, and close more sales. By aligning stages with your sales process and using probabilities and reports, you can optimize your pipeline and grow your business in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.